Hello and welcome to Bombshell Bootcamp. Bombshell Bootcamp is an ebook series that I created to help you transform your life. Everything included in Bombshell Bootcamp is designed to help you shift your health, fitness, and frame of mind into maximum efficiency. I will teach you how to be in control and adopt an unstoppable bombshell mindset. Bombshell Bootcamp is unique because of the focus on transforming your mindset. This is something that other fitness plans just don't even talk about. The things you will learn in Bombshell Bootcamp will completely change the way you think about your health and fitness. I want you to realize the power that you have to take control of your health and fitness. You can correct negative behaviors in favor of more positive ones. I firmly believe that acknowledging opportunities for change and reflecting on improvements you can make is the greatest step you can take to transforming your fitness and your everyday life. Bombshell Bootcamp provides you with information and actionable steps that you can do to help correct behaviors that have held you back in the past. Your mind is a muscle, just like those throughout the rest of your body. The Bombshell Mindset sections of Bombshell Bootcamp really help train your brain to be more positive and then eventually think more positively naturally. You will learn strategies to block out negative criticism and instead become your biggest support system. Learning how to maximize the positivity in your life is the secret to success. With the right mindset, you will reach your goals faster and achieve much more. Instead of bringing yourself down with negativity, you will praise your efforts and celebrate your strengths. Bombshell Bootcamp will show you exactly how to do this. I want to help you replace any negativity in your life so you can fast track to success. With your Bombshell mindset, you will learn to fuel your hard work with inspiration and learn to respect and empower yourself along the way. With Bombshell Bootcamp, you will feel like a bombshell inside and out.